Hello, welcome to this quick video tutorial where I show you how to back up your camera roll on Snapchat. So here we are, I have Snapchat opened, I've logged into my account. You want to tap on your little emoji in the upper left-hand corner, whatever yours looks like. Mine looks like just a little yellow profile image there, and that'll take you to your profile. Next, you want to tap on the gear icon, which is in the upper right-hand corner of this screen. And then once you're here under settings, you want to go down to where you see memories. So right there under notifications, you'll see memories. Go ahead and tap into memories. And this is where all of the magic happens. The first thing I want to show you is number one, if you just want to back up your entire Snapchat account, I would enable Smart Backup. So that's the top option there. If you enable that there, memories will back up over mobile data when Wi-Fi is unavailable. So you don't have to necessarily be connected to Wi-Fi. It can be, cellular data as well. And that'll back up your entire account, all the images from stories and snaps and all of those things. Down below is your save destinations. Now, with the save button, so if we tap into save button, right now I have mine set to memories and camera roll. So that's both memories and camera roll. So when I tap the save button while editing a snap, Snap will save to where? Memories and camera roll. And by camera roll, it means like obviously the photos on your phone, right? So just understanding that I would choose both of these for that button, but you have to manually tap the button. Next is auto save my story snaps. So basically, if you tap into that option, you just go ahead and go to auto save to memories. And when you post a snap to your story, Snapchat will automatically save this snap to your memories and you will never have to worry about it. You don't even have to click the button or tap the button, whatever you normally do. And that's it. You're good to go. That's how you basically back up your camera roll on Snapchat. I'd look at these settings, make sure they're where you want them to be every now and then, make sure there weren't some things that have changed. Other than that, that's how you do it. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions, put them in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.